guys, you're looking at raw peanuts. Now why would I start a video with raw peanuts except for the fact that I met a YouTube subscriber who said that boiled peanuts were pretty good and I've never had them. It's a southern recipe. I'm out in California, so I thought I'd try my hand at making some boiled peanuts. So I got everything ready, and then the recipe says you have to let the peanuts soak for 8 hours minimum. So I'm going to show you how to do it, and then we're going to follow up with the final recipe because they have to cook for several hours. So we start with approximately 2 pounds of peanuts, and we have a stock pot with 2 gallons of water. So let me pour the peanuts in there and then show you the rest. Pouring the peanuts in the pot. So we're supposed to wait, hold on. So they're in there. This happens to be a tamale pan, which you steam tamales in. So the next thing it says to add is, probably should have done this first, but we'll see what happens. 1/2 cup, and I'm using sea salt. This is the salt. Sea salt. Pacific Ocean waters. Okay, let me stir that up. Stay tuned. Okay, so it's stirred up and the peanuts are floating and they're supposed to be soaking underwater. So what do? It says to put something on top of it and weigh it down. So inside with this tamale pan, you get this silver thing. And so, I'm going to have to get a rock or something to hold it down, but this will hold down all the peanuts. So let me go get a rock and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. Okay guys, so you could soak the peanuts up to 24 hours, which is what I did. And I'm going to show you what happens next. You take the rocks out. And you have a strainer. I'm going to take it over here to the bamboo or whatever you call this stuff. And I'm going to bring the peanuts, uncovering the peanuts. And we're going to drain them. So let me drain the peanuts. I can't do it holding the camera. Okay, so here's the drained peanuts. And what I have here is another couple of gallons of filtered water. Filtered or bottled water, because it is getting absorbed by the peanut and you're going to eat it. So it's better to use that kind of water. And also you're supposed to add at this point 1 cup of salt. So I've got several salts. I've got sea salt. The top is Cajun spice salt, as you can see. So approximately 1 cup I'm adding. And soak that over there. Okay, and this time, so there's little spices in there. This time I'm dissolving the water, salt in the water before peanuts in. This is what we're going to cook at this point. So we're going to add the peanuts slowly. Whoops. There. And we have a couple that fell out. Here. Alright, so now what you do is you turn on, I've got this attached to my RV, I have an outlet out here. Just turn on this to high. I figured that's the easiest. So you have to cook this for like 3 hours minimum. So you have to wait for all of this to boil. And then you start cooking time. Turn to medium. So stay tuned. It's going to be 3 hours or so. I'll let you know what happens at the end. Okay guys, it's been about 4 hours. Said you could go up to 5. This is what they look like. So now I'm going to do is take them off the stove. I'll let them cool down because I'm sure they're very hot. They look pretty good, pretty soft. I better check one, make sure, so stay tuned. Okay, so I took one out and it seems to smash up real easy. So I think I'm going to let them sit, cool off a little, and then I'm going to drain it, and then we're going to try it. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm going to try it. They're squishy, mushy, and they have just the right amount of salt. So 2 pounds for 1.5 cups of salt. They turn out really good. I soaked them overnight too. So, hope you all have a great day. Check out the recipe. It's healthy. And it's from the South. What more could you ask for? I finally tried my boiled peanuts. Thanks for the advice about boiled peanuts, YouTuber. Take care, everybody. Bye.